But what I know about me? In my blood. But what I know about me? In my blood. Alright, cool, take a seat. Let me tell you this, in high school me went on a spider exhibit. This was the place that I get the spider bit. Right, went home same day, wasn't feeling too lit. Like, woke up next day, now my body feel it. Right, my eyesight changed and now my body look fit. Right, me sure the catch the man we take the money that night. Cause I'm killing Uncle Ben and never make it stop light. So me create a suit with tight with nose it. Half red, half blue, look like a blood trip. Make a web shooter and let it go to it. Should I come out of me hand, but that shit wouldn't fit. I climb up gal while release me web ball. Make a gal waterfall with her legs them sprawl. When spider sense call me defeat them all. Kinda big, kinda small, and defeat them all. Really man, the boy chameleon. Me thumping and got him at the biggest villain. Vulture, why you want come teach me culture? All and them dirty and them smell like sulfur. Me see them with me eye, me them me banacalas. On a train ride me fight that octopus. Spider and octopus both have 8 legs. So why you want like half me ease a tagas? Me not like dust or sun pan me boots. And man hate me cause y'all think me cute. That tougher than a boulder. That cooler than a blizzard. Oh, when try to get back his shoulder. But instead turn into a lizard. Kirk and I call himself in iguana. No when green and stale like marijuana. Mary Jane, I hit that one I wanna. But everybody knows me right after a black cat. When Stacey tried to hang, but then her back snap. I should've take a flick and put the shit on Snapchat. But people would've said that me crazy with the hunger. But me not follow back, I'm on like Raven the hunter. Who see you all anytime the spider confront ya. That just me beat off the hair of your conja. You hear me though? Turn up your stereo. I take the fishbowl off your head with stereo. You should've used that bowl for eat some British cereal. Punch a hole and now your face dip cheerio. Now you're running out of power, now you're feeling low. You should've get a charge from the boy Electro. And now you're looking sharp when I rock the symbiote. Shocker tried to set me out, he thought I was a roach. I'm a spider, swing on a web man, I have time to hide her. Green goblin, lucky fight on a glider. Eyes look like them look a cup of apple cider. But there's 2 cause they got that one died. Them a fling bomb like them name Al-Qaeda. Hobgoblin, me not afraid of him neither. The original, you can't eat Dick Rider. Them a toe pumpkin, you a toe pumpkin. Let me tell you something, but look some vagina. Nothing can stop me, not even a rhino. Not even the dirty vampire albino. Anyway, you go, pussy, hold me like a rhino. Wrap up with the strength of this arachnid. Scorpion tried to hit me with a stimmy, bust a backflip. I can spin a web, but goddamn, he's spitting acid. I thought the tail was plastic, that's it. No more friendly Spider-Man, I get drastic. Anytime you see me on my black shit. Just an all black, but nobody's in the casket. To save your life, I made a web basket. But me no want nothing with them. Then I group up, still a war, we get them. Them it is me suit like them wear man then them. Who me attack, this pussy hole venom. A joke me a make, venom a me greatest enemy. Even as Eddie Rock, this pussy still a penny. When he walked the symbiote, we laugh and we grin. So we don't want to this boy, could never be a friend of me. Unless them release the carnage, warning, this the bio disco party. No man, don't back off me cartridge. And I'm hurry up, but he hit me with the sharp edge.
Spider-Man is ours and ours alone.
You hear this garbage? Looks like we have to take the beef to the street. Them boy, them not even better than the sneaks. It don't you teeth, got a bigger leak. Oh, you can't speak, but you want give me a tongue lash. Fighting on a window, wiper give me one slash. Crashing through the window, then this is Philly the dumb fast. And me not worry about how we beat them. Cause we know a couple moves we use to defeat them. Do the spider bone, hey, spider bone, hey. Everybody fear do spider bone, do the spider bone, spider bone. Everybody fear do spider bone, do the spider walk, spider walk. From you never just want nobody want her. Do the spider do, spider do. And you not care if somebody want look. Great power comes with great responsibility. But once we get my head down, guillotine, Billie Jean, Billie Jean. Everybody fear do the Billie Jean, Billie Jean, Billie Jean. Everybody fear do the Billie Jean. Spider-Man, hey, Spider-Man, Spider-Man, hey, 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 Spider-Man, 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 Spider-Man.